Hi guys, and welcome back to Lazy May's Country Kitchen. Remember in my last fudge video I said I was going to try to use chocolate or try to make a Reese's peanut butter cup fudge. So we're going to try it a couple different ways. We're experimenting tonight. So in your whenever you're doing this fudge, when you've got your icing and your peanut butter, make sure all you've got to do is use equal amounts. That way you can make as little or as lot as you want. So we are just going to do, since I don't know how these are going to turn out, we are going to make some little batches to just see how it goes. But all you got to do is just, like I said, use half batches. Or equal parts, half batches. A half a batch is what I'm making. I'm going to try doing a half a cup. Because that looks like that's about half of this can of icing. And this one is vanilla. Usually I use cream cheese. But I had vanilla, so I'm using vanilla. Alrighty, looks like about 3/4 of a cup. So we're just going to dump this right in here. I need my spatula, please, sir. It's probably just... Nope.
No.
In the drawer. Yep, that'd be good. That'd be good. But I'm gonna just get all this out. Out. And I'm just gonna, since I'm measuring this out like this, I'm just gonna put them all in the one bowl and I'm gonna heat them both up at the same time.
Heat and mix. Yep,
just heat them and mix. And sometimes your peanut butter takes a little longer than a minute, depending on how much you are heating up. But usually, a minute's good. And we're going to be using some crunchy peanut butter.
Don't know how that's going to turn out now.
Oh, I forgot to clean my spoon off. It'll be okay because the rest of this peanut butter, what's left in this jar, is going to be used for the other peanut butter anyway. So, it'll be okay. It'll all be gone. Woo! About missed my cup. Get me a different spoon. Because I keep dipping it in the icing and I'm not going to keep messing with that.
I don't see no more of them.
No, just get me a big one. Yep, that worked good. That way we can get it done in a hurry. Well, I wasn't thinking about peanut butter, just the icing. Alrighty. Now, let's see. I got just a tad too much.
Set that in the microwave for a second so you can tell about how much you got.
What, the peanut butter? It don't matter.
Well, it don't matter to me.
I took out too much. I had a big old hole when I mashed it. It don't have to be exact. This recipe's really forgiving. So, as long as you got it somewhere in the neighborhood. Now, if you want it more peanut buttery, you can use more peanut butter. If you want it a little sweeter, use a little bit more icing. But anyway...
I like it with peanut butter.
Well, there you go.
All right.
But normally, it's equal parts.
Yep.
Just know he's a peanut butter fanatic. Alrighty. Now, next, we're going to dump this in here.
You gotta get it in there.
I am.
Oh.
It's easier with a spatula, man.
Mm.
Peanut butter is so thick and it's just so hard to get out of these things. Alrighty, now that we got that in there, the only thing that we're going to do now is slap her in the microwave for about a minute and see if we need to go any more. So I'll be right back in just a second. And I'm going to try something else while we're experimenting. I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla bean ice cream flavoring in here. And I'm going to put about half a teaspoon. Just a little. But it took a minute and everything's all melted and mixed up. So I'm going to mix my vanilla in here real good. And as you see, the little peanuts is still lumpy, but that's it. Alrighty, guys. Now I'm going to pour this in. Here, you can test it and see how it tastes with the vanilla flavoring. Any difference?
Yeah, it's a different taste.
Is it better or worse?
I don't know. Time I get all that ate, I'll let you know.
Alrighty.
I think the biggest thing is a vanilla bean ice cream. It might be a little bit overpowering.
Well, I just put a dab, so I hope not.
You can taste it.
Alrighty, guys, and in the first one of these, here,
Go ahead.
in the first one of these, I'm going to, first of all, smooth this out, but I'm going to be putting some chocolate icing, just a little bit of chocolate icing on top of this. But we're going to set this in the refrigerator for a few minutes and kind of give it a couple minutes to set up. And then I'll melt the icing and pour over it. And so we'll bring you back in just a few minutes. Alrighty, guys. Our files got deleted. And it was both our faults, or this part did. You seen how I made the regular fudge, peanut butter fudge, like I did in the video before. The part that we deleted was where I made the chocolate coating. And as you can tell, the bottom's got it, and the sides and the top. And all I done was left my fudge in this container. I took about a fourth. I didn't quite take a fourth. But I went and poured it on the top, put it in the refrigerator, let it set, and then come back and flipped it over to make that chocolate side down. Then I took the rest of this chocolate buttercream up to a half a container. This one is 16 ounces, so I used 8 ounces on here. But I took and melted it. Where I flipped it, I poured it back on the top and covered the sides, and then set it back up in there to set.
In the refrigerator.
Yep, in the refrigerator. So this is the end results. So now we will take you to the taste test, and I'm sorry. But
as you can see, the peanut butter fudge is coated all the way around with chocolate.
Yep. And all you got to do is flip them because it will set up just perfect. I mean, see? And this is a little more moist where it was against the wax paper. But I'm going to put it back in here. I mean, it's totally set up. And we've had to redo this 3 times, so sorry about all of the fingerprints. But we're going to take you to the taste test now.
Yeah, I think we need to quit for today.
I think so too. I think we've done enough damage because I done lost a whole nother video. So, but we'll get it back to you because you'll love it. Alrighty, guys, moment of truth. Reese's peanut butter fudge.
Yeah, y'all see the difference, don't you? Y'all see
what I got versus what he got.
Uh-huh.
Bon appetit. Oh my gosh, this is good. He's not really into chocolate as much as I am, so I don't know if he likes it as good as I do.
No.
But I love this.
To me, the plain peanut butter fudge, I think, is better.
We're going to have to start making one his way and one my way.
It might not have been as bad if he hadn't put quite as much chocolate.
This is perfect to me. It's a lot like a Reese's peanut butter cup. I mean...
like a lot of other things, you know. What some people like, some don't.
Yep.
We all have our own taste.
Yep.
I mean, it's good, don't get me wrong. But it's just too much chocolate for me.
But if you like Reese's peanut butter cups, you need to do this fudge. I'm telling you, it's good. This is the way I'm going to make mine from now on. Alrighty, guys.
Get a little piece here without so much chocolate.
From Lazy Makes Country Kitchen. Oh, you do have a thick. No wonder. I got it uneven.
I told you it's too much chocolate for me.
Look at the difference. Here.
Well, that's pushed up a little there, but...
Here. This ain't got nowhere near the chocolate.
Well, I just pushed that up there. It's the reason it looks so bad. I was pushing it up there some and getting some out from under it. And it ain't as bad when I do that where it ain't got as much chocolate, as you can see.
Alrighty, guys. From here at Lazy Makes Country Kitchen, I give this a yum yum. You need to try you some.
And I say it's okay.
I love it. I will. I'll be making my peanut butter fudge this way from now on. Because it's just like a cold, Reese's peanut butter cup. Can't beat them. Love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Bye.